Why settle for just a streaming stick when you can have the brain of your entire entertainment system in one device? Meet the Amazon Fire TV Cube, which isn't just about streaming, it's about control. With powerful performance, cinematic 4K Ultra HD, and hands-free Alexa built right in, it turns your TV into the command center of your home. Just say it and consider it done.
Alexa, what movie has the line, "You're killing me, Smalls"?
What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Amazon Fire TV Cube, Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, power adapter, and a quick start guide. Want to grab the Amazon Fire TV Cube from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Experience lightning-fast app, starts and fluid navigation with the most powerful Fire TV Cube yet, featuring an advanced Octa-core processor. This enhanced speed is noticeable when browsing menus, opening apps, and using Alexa, providing a significantly smoother experience. Control your entertainment and compatible smart home devices with just your voice, even from across the room. The built-in microphone and speaker allow the Cube to function as a smart speaker, handling requests for content, managing smart home devices, and answering general questions. Enjoy smoother streaming and lower latency thanks to the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E support. This device also includes multiple built-in ports, such as an HDMI 2.1 input for controlling other devices like game consoles and a USB-A port for accessories. Experience stunning visuals with cinematic 4K Ultra HD streaming. With support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and Dolby Atmos audio, this device provides exceptional brightness, lifelike colors, and immersive sound on compatible TVs. The HDMI input allows the Cube to act as a universal controller for other media devices, all manageable via Alexa voice commands. Users can effortlessly switch between streaming content, a game console, or live TV, making it a versatile media hub. Specifications. How to set up. Plug the Cube into a power outlet and connect it to your TV with the HDMI cable. Place it in an open spot where it can hear your voice clearly. Then switch your TV to the correct HDMI input to see the setup screen. Insert the included batteries into your Fire TV remote. It should pair automatically. If not, press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds. Once paired, follow the on-screen prompts to connect the Fire Stick to your home Wi-Fi network. Log in with your Amazon account or create one if you don't already have it. You'll then be able to set up parental controls, install your favorite apps like Netflix or YouTube, and enable Alexa voice commands for easier navigation. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Amazon Fire TV Cube. See you in the next one.